previous frame repair here. It seems to be holding up, but I'm gonna cut this piece off, and the other side has that piece. It looks like this side, they just welded that on there and didn't fix the old brake, so I'm gonna cut this piece off, fix the old brake. And I have some angle iron I salvaged that I will reinforce that whole hitch with that. I'm gonna do some cutting on that, but not a big deal. And I'll wrap that around and then probably drill that and plug weld it there, put a few beads. This, I don't know, I think it's about 16 gauge metal. So I'll come right to here with it. On this side, I'll take the angle iron off for a ways, but at least I'll get a wrap around on the strap there. And on this other side, I should be able to come a little farther. Doesn't seem to be issues with anything else. It has a secondary framework underneath. But I'll be working on that for a bit. Have some straightening to do. So hopefully it'll clamp up to the angle iron and straighten out. And we'll get that going.
just trying to do the frame, fix the frame. It's kind of bowed. We have the frame upside down right now. So there's quite a gap. I'm try to hold the frame so it's up and straight. See if I can get it to work.
Okay, so we got the hitch all reinforced up, cut out some of somebody else's reinforcements, welded up all the cracks that were there. So I just wrapped it around and I have angle iron here. And I just did a few stitches. I think Tanya wants a full weld. She might get her way after, but we got it good enough to get underneath. I did a bunch of plug welds and some welds on the inside. Didn't get it perfectly straight. I probably should have got tubing, but I had this angle iron here that we salvaged that's free, so it should definitely be strong enough. Well, it's way stronger than this is, like sheet metal thickness.
It was very thin.
Make it light. So I added a lot of structure there.
And then we just gave it a quick coat of paint, just for the rust proofing. And now we're gonna put it back underneath.